number 13, we are adding rational expressions, but they do not have common denominators, so that we have to find the common denominator. In order to find the common denominator, we have to see what is in one denominator has to be in the common denominator. We can't get rid of anything. So because the x minus 3 is over here, this fraction also has to have an x minus 3. Because this x plus 1 is over here, I'm also going to have an x plus 1 on this fraction. So that means I need to multiply this entire fraction by x plus 1. I need to multiply this entire fraction by x minus 3. So then when I do that, I'm going to have a 9. I multiply both the numerator and the denominator by x plus 1. 9 times x plus 1 over x minus 3, x plus 1, plus 2x times x minus 3 over x minus 3, x plus 1. Now that we have common denominators, we do not want to simplify here. All that would do was then bring us back to here. So we actually have to multiply our numerators. We don't need to multiply our denominators because then we will just have to refactor them later. Nothing will change between our denominators. The reason we have to multiply the numerators is that so when I multiply them, I can add their like terms together. So this becomes 9x plus 9 over x minus 3, x plus 1, plus 2x squared minus 6x over x minus 3, x plus 1. Now that they have common denominators and our numerators are simplified, we can add them together. So this will be 9x plus 9 plus 2x squared minus 6x all over x minus 3, x plus 1. Now I can add my like terms of my numerator. 2x squared, 9x minus 6x becomes positive 3x plus 9 all over x minus 3, x plus 1. Then I would look to refactor. So then I would need to see if this is a trinomial where a is greater than 1, so I would look to see if I could use the sum and the products. So my sum is 3, always my middle term, and my product is 2 times 9, which becomes 18. I would then need to find the factors of 18 that add to give me 3. So my factors of 18 are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. Now 3 and 6 would subtract to get me 3, but not add, so they will not work. So then there are no factors that are going to get me 3 of 18, so then this is my answer.